Soldier Boy, tell him. Yeah, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. Gotta punch then crank back 3 times from left to right.
I'll let you take control, and I'm already stolen. You are a case I will be solving. Oh yeah, I feel like
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope was good. Hope you guys are all okay. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful water wave hair from Vshow. They sent me a 22 inch water wave 13x4 lace wig, and it is beautiful. And if you guys want to see how I installed it, then stay tuned and keep watching.
Soldier Boy, tell him. Yeah, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soldier Boy. Gotta punch then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all that why me you? Crank that Soldier, 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 that what? Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all that why me you? Crank that Soldier, 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 that why me? Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me lean that, why me wrong? Superman, that yeah, why me crank that Robocall? Super friend, why me jogging on them haters, man. When I do that Soldier Boy, I let to left and crank that thing down. I'm jocking on you, and if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters get mad, cause I got me some bacon, they just Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all that why me you? Crank that Soldier, 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 that what? Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all that why me you? Crank that Soldier, 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 that what? I'm bouncing on my toe. I be super soaked that on the fence to A-Rab, and he gon' crank it up for sure. Haters wanna beat me, Soldier Boy, I'm the man. They be looking at my neck, saying it's doing bang, bang. Why we do it? Dang, let get to it. No, you can't do it like me, though. So don't do it like me, folk. I see you try to do it like me, man, that damn was ugly. Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all that why me you? Crank that Soldier, 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 that what? Soldier Boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy, that Superman, that all that why me you? Crank that Soldier, 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 that what?
wondering where did the lace go, blah blah blah. So basically I cut the lace, and because obviously like doing this whole process is so tedious, I had to do it in front of my really small mirror. So I done that off camera, and then I used my Got To Be Free spray to make my lace appear a bit more darker and melt more. And basically, because this lace is so thin, oh my goodness guys, I don't think you're ready for the reveal. I don't think you're ready for the reveal. Oh, I'm gonna get my hot comb. I got some weird hot comb. I think I got this from eBay. It's not like everyone else's, but yeah, I'm just gonna do that just so it, like, you know, just so I can help the hairline look a little bit more melted. But I think I done a pretty good job. Like, literally guys, practice makes perfect. And now, ooh, this is the melt, guys. This is the melt. Okay, I absolutely love it. Like, I love it. I just feel like it just looks so natural, kind of. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs. I'm not really good at doing my baby hairs, so that's gonna be a little bit of a struggle. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my rubbing alcohol just to get rid of the free spray that's all over my forehead. So I'm just gonna do that.
Soulja Boy, tell him. Yeah, I got this new dance for y'all called the Soulja Boy. I punch then crank back 3 times from left to right. Soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Now why me you? Crank that soldier, 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 now what? Soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Now why me you? Crank that soldier, 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 now why? Soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me lean and why me wrong? Superman, that all? Yeah, why me crank that Robocall? Super friend, now why me jogging on them haters, man? When I do that soldier boy, I lean to the left and crank that thing down. I'm jocking on you, and if we get the fight, then I'm cocking on you. You catch me at your local party, yes, I crank it every day. Haters getting mad, cause I got me some bacon, they just soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Now why me you? Crank that soldier, 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 now what? Soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Now why me you? Crank that soldier, 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 now what? I'm bouncing on my toe. I be super soaked that all. On the pass to A-Rab and he gon' crank it up for sure. Haters wanna beat me, soldier boy. I'm the man. They be looking at my neck, saying it's doing bang, man. Why we do it? Dang, let get to it. No, you can't do it like me, though. So don't do it like me, folk. I see you try to do it like me. Man, that damn was ugly. Soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Now why me you? Crank that soldier, 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 now what? Soldier boy, I'm finna. Why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that all? Now why me you? Crank that soldier, 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 now what?
This is my hair at the moment. This is the hair basically like brushed out, so it is a water wave curl. I love this curl, you know. I've always wanted to try curly water wave. Like, I literally ordered water wave hair when did I order it? Like 2 months ago, and it was nothing like this, and it was the same length. No, it was 20 inches, wasn't even as long as this. Like, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this hair. I'm now going to wet it, and then I'm gonna add some mousse in it, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finishing look, and then yeah, that'll be my video. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. These curls are so pretty. This is Vshow hair water wave in the inch 22 inches and in the density 150. It is a 13x4 lace front. It doesn't go all the way, obviously it is a bit shorter, but it's still really nice. The hair came pre-plucked, and the hair was lovely to pluck as well. Like, I've never plucked a frontal so easy in my life before, and it was really nice to install. This lace was perfect. Like, I think the lace was either medium brown or transparent, but it was so nice and easy to melt. Like, obviously the thinner the lace, the easier it is to melt. This hair was just beautiful. Like, honestly loved it, and I just want to say thank you Vshow for sponsoring this video, because this hair is amazing, it is bomb. All the details will be linked in the description down below. Now, I didn't do this video in so much detail, but I will be uploading another video installing hair again, and I'll be showing you guys more details, just because I'm not a professional and I'm not really good at installing hair, so I always need to be up close to a mirror. So having a camera there and then my mirror all the way there, it's really hard. So yeah, but next time I'll show you guys my mistakes and, you know, everything like that. But this one I just wanted to show you guys, just to show you guys. So yeah, this is the hair. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the